The world always wants some or the other new contraption which makes their life just a little bit easier. And since ancient times, engineers have completely changed the world we live in. They designed and built the Aztec and Egyptian pyramids, the Great Wall of China and the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. Today, we have our modern homes, bridges, cars, space travel and the latest mobile technology. Innovative ideas are at the heart of what engineers do, and they use their knowledge to create new and exciting prospects and solve any problems that may arise. Because of the immense craze for engineering, especially in India, it is important that aspiring engineers carefully choose their college. Since there has been a mushrooming of engineering institutes set up only to exploit this craze, and students from such colleges fail to get relevant jobs. The Samrat Ashok Technological Institute, located in Vidisha in Madhya Pradesh, is one college that has been striving to establish and maintain academic excellence in the field of technology.
Samrat Ashok Technological Institute, Vidisha, is having a glorious legacy of about 64 years of establishment. It has been one of the foremost institutions of higher technical education in Madhya Pradesh. Our students have made their marks into all sectors, including government, private and public sectors, to serve the country in various capacities and to meet all kinds of global challenges in field of engineering, technology and management. It is a matter of great pleasure and pride that many of our alumni have achieved world-class caliber and importance and have added new feathers to the cap of the institute. Some of our eminent alumni have been awarded national and international awards including Padma Shri and Nobel Prize. At SATI, our faculty members comprises highly qualified and experienced professionals dedicated to the nurturing the next generation of engineers. They bring a wealth of industry experience and academic excellence, ensuring that you receive the best education possible. Our curriculum is designed to be both rigorous and flexible, encouraging innovations and critical thinking. This helps in creating better job opportunities to our students. We believe in holistic development, and that's why we offer a wide range of extracurricular activities, clubs and societies. Whether you are interested in robotics, coding, music or sports, there is something for everyone here at SATI. If you are ready to embark on an exciting journey of learning, innovation and personal growth, I invite you to join us at SATI. Together, let's build a bright future through engineering. Admissions are now open and we look forward to welcoming you to our family.
Established in 1960 as a grant and aid autonomous college, the institute started with BE in civil, mechanical and electrical engineering. Today, it offers a lot more. Late Maharaja Jivaji Rao Scindia established the institute in 1960 with a donation from the Gangajali Trust Fund of the Scindias. It is an autonomous institute which is fully funded by the government of Madhya Pradesh and managed by the Maharaja Jivaji Rao Education Society, chaired by Jyotiraditya Madhav Rao Scindia. Today, it is part of the Rajiv Gandhi Pradyogiki Vishwavidyalaya, also known as RGPV Bhopal, from 1998, and its degree is issued by the university. The institute has some of the best facilities and laboratories in its science and engineering departments. And in recent years, the facilities have been extensively modernized. The additive manufacturing lab and the support provided by the institute for the development of geopolymer concrete are some achievements. Admissions to all e-courses in the institute are done by DTE Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh through a process of counselling based on the merit list of JEE conducted by the CBSE. The institute has been working hard to make sure that students become true engineers. That is, use models provided by science combined with innovative thinking to solve problems and create new designs that benefit humanity.
We have a very good staff who are really working very hard for the sake of the institution, for the sake of the students.
The institute facilitates the process of placement of the graduating students, besides collaborating with leading organizations and institutes in setting up of internships and training programs. Students have been placed in the sectors of core engineering industries, IT services, manufacturing, finance and R&D. Companies include public sector firms such as BHEL, Indian Oil and HP, and private sector firms including TCS, Microsoft, Infosys, HCL, Godrej and Larsen & Toubro.
Hey, this is Anamika Zain. Currently, I am a third year student at SATI and upcoming Microsoft Student Intern 2023. We have a great placements in our college. Many companies used to visit in our campus. Few of them are TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, Infosys, Accenture and many more. The highest package of previous year was 16 LPA and average package is somewhat 3 to 6 LPA. And the important thing about our college is we have a TNP cell which is run by student itself. So we got a great opportunity to see how companies visit, how placements will work from our first and second year itself.
Since its first graduating batch of 1965, many of the institute's alumni have achieved the heights of success and reached influential positions in society, both in India and abroad. Kailash Satyarthi, a 1974 batch electrical engineer from SATI Vidisha, founded the Bachpan Bachao Andolan and is a 2014 Nobel laureate. Vijay Kumar Chaturvedi, a 1965 batch mechanical engineer, is a nuclear power expert who was the chairman and managing director of the Nuclear Power Corporation of India. He was honoured with the Padma Shri in 2001. These are only some names. The list is long and illustrious. All of them have a deep bond with their alma mater. The college campus is spread over an area of 85 acres of lush green land with natural surroundings. It has boys' hostels for engineering and polytechnic and girls' hostels for engineering, besides living quarters for professors and other employees. The campus has all the practical requirements for a comfortable student life within it. There's a canteen, cooperative store, a bank, auditorium, a library and a dispensary associated with the nearby hospital. The institute also houses well-maintained cricket and football grounds, tennis, badminton and basketball courts and a modern gymnasium. A lot of importance is given to extracurricular activities and overall development of students studying here.
SATI offers great exposure to the students. Here we have Startup Cell, which motivates the student to think out of the box. Our college offers Industry Readiness Program, which prepares students to be job ready. Students get huge support from faculty. We are assigned our tutor guardians in our induction itself. We can contact them whenever we need their help.
The environment of our college is enthusiastic, safe and disciplined. You can also find greenery around the campus where some students meditate. The playgrounds are also well maintained and there are many other facilities like canteen, central library, air-conditioned labs and workshops.
Students and faculty are sent to other colleges within India as well as abroad to greater exposure and a worldwide view of the topics they undertake to study.
हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट में एक 10% रूल है in which 10% of the syllabus is revised each year. हम न्यू टेक्नोलॉजीज जैसे कि AI, IT, डेटा साइंस, साइबर सिक्योरिटी, ब्लॉकचेन पढ़ते हैं अलॉन्ग विद बिल्डिंग अ स्ट्रॉन्ग कोर. हमारा फोकस पढ़ी हुई चीज़ों को अप्लाई करके प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाने पर होता है थ्रू इंटर्नशिप ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स. हमारा करिकुलम साइंटिफिक अप्रोच ऑफ लर्निंग पर बेस्ड है, साइमल्टेनियसली डेवलपिंग सॉफ्ट स्किल्स लाइक वन-ऑन-वन कम्युनिकेशन. हमारा गोल कॉम्पिटेंस एनहांसमेंट के साथ साथ एथिक्स और कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग भी होता है.
We are second year students and we have been staying in hostel from last 1 year.
There is great accommodation facilities in a hostel. Proper hygiene and good medical facilities are provided here. Also there is a weekly visit of a doctor in our hostel.
Apart from the rooms, we also have a well-equipped sports room, a study room, a dining hall, a TV hall, and a very beautiful garden. We also have a computer lab and a 24-hour Wi-Fi connectivity.
And talking about the mess is for the student and run by students itself. We are provided with 3 meals a day. The food is very nutritious and the menu is decided by students itself.
Talking about the security, we have our caretakers and security guards 24/7 with us. There is also a record for the students that is maintained for their presence.
Engineers are recognized and awarded worldwide for the important role they play in creation of knowledge-based economy. The Samrat Ashok Technological Institute is an opportunity where students get a chance to find the best answers to real-world questions and make our world a better place.